Now, shifting focus to Chennai now, with the Bal Vidya Mandir school, which had landed itself in a controversy over a twin fee structure, reopened today with empty classrooms. Parents have decided to boycott the school today and are not sending their children to school. A peaceful satyagrah was held by parents in front of the school premises this morning. Parents are demanding the resignation of the school CEO. A big row, meanwhile, is brewing between the school management and the staff after teachers alleged that 9 of them were sacked for supporting parents. The management, however, has denied this. The teachers were protesting along with parents today, seeking reinstatement of the principal. The school had yesterday reversed its decision to implement a twin fee structure, offering an additional 59 activities to children who paid higher fees. Under fire for dual fee structure, the school faced massive protests from parents who accused the administration of discriminatory behavior.
We want our principal Srinivasa Raghavan sir and our CEO Nathan sir to be with us always here. We supported our students. We are for our students. We were for our students, because I can't go to a class and say that you are absent one student. I can't explain this algebra to you. I can't go and tell the other child, okay, you are absent too, I can explain everything to you. I'm a good teacher, I can't do that. So we all teachers, we stood for students.
See, from the beginning, we were not consulted for anything. Whole lot of circulars have gone, but we were not aware of anything. The minute we came, even the principal did not know the clauses. The minute we came to know that the child is being targeted, we all protested.
Let's get a word from Shesha Reddy, who's with us live from Chennai this morning. Shesha, parents and students, they're protesting outside the Bal Vidya Mandir school. For how long has this twin fee structure existed, and why is it that it was raised only recently?
Well, that's right, because this dual fee structure have been there for a very long time. But in fact, why this came into light quite recently, its only reason is because 4 students were sent out of the school for not paying the fees. And that's when the teachers and the parents raised a question about why these students were not inducted into the school. That's when they came to know about this dual fee structure. And what's interesting point is that in the second fee structure, which also talks about the 59 points that they have been mentioning, that all those activities will be carried out only will be for the students who pay the extra amount of fees. So which clearly points out that how the fee structure has been discriminated between students who can pay a certain amount of money and those who can't afford to pay the nominated fee, in fact, that's been set up by the school management.
Shesha, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to you for more reactions from parents and teachers who are there protesting outside that school in Chennai over a dual fee structure. Shifting focus now to the other story we're tracking.